The word fiduciary is derived from the Latin words fiduciarius and fiducia, relating to confidence and trust. It also appears to stem from the Latin words fides, meaning faith, and fidelitas, the equivalent of loyal. In real estate, it is commonly applied to an agent who holds a special position of confidence, trust, and responsibility towards another. Fiduciary duties impose the highest standard of care, and we must be committed to scrupulously fulfilling such obligations. Up first is our duty of full and truthful disclosure as it relates to a property. As professionals, we have an obligation to disclose to our clients all material facts which are within our knowledge, affecting the value and/or desirability of the property. In addition, the duty of full disclosure requires that we present all offers and counteroffers in a timely and diligent manner, unless our client has previously directed us to do otherwise. By doing this, we permit them to make an informed and intelligent decision in his or her best interest. Finally, we must also disclose the nature and full amount of any compensation, commission, or profit that we will receive from the transaction. By reason of my licensure, I am deemed to have specialized and professional expertise, knowledge, and skill in real estate-related matters, superior to that of the average person. The nature of my fiduciary relationship is such as to cause the client to justifiably rely on my ability. As an agent, I must fully account in a timely manner for all funds and property received in which my client has or may have an interest. This duty requires me to safeguard any money, deeds, and other documents entrusted to me that are related to my client. Furthermore, I must not disclose confidential information of or about my client, including the client's business, financial, or business affairs, unless authorized to do so. This duty mandates that I must keep confidential any information that might weaken or undermine my client's position if the same were revealed. As a realtor, I must exercise the utmost honesty, absolute candor, integrity, and unselfishness towards my client. This requires that I not compete with my client and act at all times in the best interests of my client to the exclusion of all other interests, including interests that could benefit myself or others. In addition, this requires that I refrain from dual representation in a real estate sales transaction unless I obtain the consent of both principals after full disclosure. Last but not least, I must obediently, efficiently, and promptly follow the lawful instructions of my client. In summary, California real estate agents, when acting as fiduciaries, owe special duties to our clients. We must be continuously aware of these important duties and must perform them responsibly, diligently, and completely. If we fail to do so, we risk significant civil liability and remedies, in addition to administrative discipline where our misconduct also violates the statutes and/or regulations enforced by the Department of Real Estate. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, comment, and follow, and I'll see you next time.